The meat-only diet has gone widespread on social media, with supporters saying that humans evolved to survive only on animal protein. But how nutritious is it? You've definitely heard of the ketogenic diet and the paleo diet, but have you heard of the carnivore diet? This latest diet trend pushes low-carbohydrate diets to the limit. The carnivore diet excludes all plant foods and exclusively consumes animal products such as meat, fish, animal fats, for example, lard, ghee, and, low-lactose, dairy foods. Breakfast may be eggs and bacon with cream, lunch could be cheese-topped meatballs with chicken breast, no herbs added, and supper could be roast beef and fish. According to proponents of the carnivore diet, plant poisons and residual pesticides employed in plant food production are harmful to our health. They claim that starchy foods only formed a significant element of the human diet during the agricultural revolution. Finally, it is recommended that avoiding all plant foods is the greatest method to lose weight and improve metabolic health. Carnivore diet authors frequently portray their subject as the solution to the worldwide problem of obesity and non-communicable chronic illnesses, claiming that decades of nutritional science research have resulted in incorrect dietary recommendations. The majority of these authors argue that Homo sapiens developed to hunt for meat and fish, and that plant eating was just a backup plan for periods when animal food became scarce. What would happen if you exclusively ate foods derived from animals for an extended length of time? Unfortunately, there is no scientific information on the health effects of avoiding all plant foods. Anecdotal reports and testimonies claiming better weight management, enhanced cardiac and metabolic health, higher cognitive performance, lower inflammation, better digestive function, and remission of autoimmune illnesses are the only sources of information accessible. Side effects are similar to those reported for the ketogenic diet, including bad breath, constipation, diarrhea, headaches, dehydration, and other symptoms associated with being in ketosis, which occurs when the body has depleted all glycogen stores and begins to break down fat into ketone bodies that can be used as a source of energy instead of glucose. After roughly a month, these negative effects may fade as the body adjusts to the diet. What are the nutritional advantages of a carnivorous diet? Meat is a wonderful source of high-quality protein, iron, zinc, selenium, vitamin D, and vitamins B6 and B12, which are exclusively found in animal-derived meals. High-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, selenium, and iodine are all found in fish. Dairy products are also high in high-quality protein, calcium, iodine, and B vitamins. The NHS's Eat Well guide recommends dairy foods, lean meats, no more than 70 grams of red or processed meat per day, and 2 pieces of fish per week, one of which should be oily fish. The Eat Well guide, on the other hand, suggests eating at least 580 grams pieces of fruits and vegetables each day, and that a third of our diet should consist of whole grain and higher fiber starchy foods. On the carnivore diet, eliminating fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, and whole grains would result in 0% fiber consumption. Fiber is essentially the intact cell walls of plants that are poorly digested, with unclear long-term effects for gut and heart health. Indeed, there is a universal consensus that higher dietary fiber consumption is related to decreased risks of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and colon cancer, whereas increased red and processed meat consumption increases risk. Plant foods rich in soluble fiber have been shown in randomized controlled trials to lower blood low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol and triglyceride concentrations, slowing the progression of atherosclerosis, fatty lesions that can damage and block arteries, causing coronary heart attacks and stroke. Fatty meats and butter, on the other hand, can elevate LDL cholesterol. Plant foods are also high in potassium, vitamin C, folate, and other micronutrients, all of which are needed for health and are mostly found in fruits and vegetables. Furthermore, nutritious plant-based diets are associated with more diversified and beneficial gut microbiome profiles, resulting in microbial fermentation products from fiber and non-nutrient bioactive substances that may lower inflammation. Carnivore diet supporters frequently argue that eating fully or nearly totally animal-sourced items is close to the normal human diet, matched with what was consumed in early human history. Biological anthropologists, on the other hand, would argue that the structure of our brains, teeth, and intestines suggests that humans developed as extremely resourceful and adaptable omnivores capable of adapting to a wide range of situations to fulfill our nutritional demands from both animals and plants. Collectively, we must acknowledge that global food production requires a massive overhaul if population nutritional demands are to be addressed while also seeking to avert the looming climate change tragedy. Reduced meat consumption is a critical component of the transition to sustainable, healthy food systems. For the sake of imagined personal rewards, the carnivorous diet contradicts this global mandate for planetary health. Regardless of the long-term consequences for healthy life expectancy, this appears to be the ultimate selfish act.